Xiaomi is introducing the latest Poco F7 Ultra. This is going to be a flagship handset that is going to offer you a bunch of incredible features. With 120 watt fast charging support. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. It is powered by one of the most powerful chipset, the Snapdragon 888, with the additional support of a 4.32 GHz octa-core CPU. You should know that the Poco F7 Ultra features OLED touchscreen display with a large 6.67 inches display screen size that easily supports the HD plus resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels and GPU of 18830 and a 120Hz refresh rate with 3200 nits peak brightness. There will be 12 and 16 GB of RAM with 256, 512 GB and 1 TB of internal memory capacity. There will be a triple camera setup back on this amazing phone. Main sensor will be 50 megapixel wide, 32 megapixel ultra wide and 50 megapixel telephoto sensors. There will be an under-display ultrasonic fingerprint reader. It is packed with a big 6000 mAh battery. That's all for now and thanks for watching.